Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So let me tell you first, this will be very short video because in this video I will add speech recognition feature in my translator application that I have already made. If you didn't watch that translator making video, please go and watch. Link will be in my description box. And for better understanding of speech recognition process, I will refer you my last video on speech recognition. In that video, I have discussed about the speech recognition module in Python and its working process. Okay, so assuming you all know them, let's start modifying our code. So I have already script for speech recognition. I will simply copy it from here and paste there. So first we need to import this speech recognition module in our translator script. Because without speech recognition module, you can't work with speech recognition process. After that, now we have to make a function that takes voice command from user, and for this I will make this function take command. Now this function takes voice input from user. These all things have been discussed in the last video. So now let's focus on our translator script, where I used to take input using input function. You can see. And in that case, user had to type sentences. Now if I want user to give voice input, so instead of input function, I will use take command function that has been developed. And this take command function takes input through user voice, as I am saying again and again. Save this code, and now let's see if our code runs successfully or not. You have to set the language first. Good morning. You can see that my system recognizes my speech, the sentences that I have said, and it should translate them in German language. In my code, to run this code successfully, we need internet access because the package that is Translate and Translator that I am using for this purpose, this package access internet access. So it
Guten Morgen.
okay. So as you have seen, it takes much time, but it should not take much time, and in my case my network is much slower, that's why it takes this time. Let's try again, this time with Dutch language. Good morning, sir.
Goody Morgan.
Thank God. Okay, so now I will exit this code. Q. So as mentioned in my code that when I will say Q, it will exit my program and it will end the session. So in this manner it works. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you liked this. Stay safe, keep coding. Thank you all guys.